how to fix Messenger problem in your phone. If you have any problem with the Facebook Messenger, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger and click on it like this. Click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all these permissions. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. Click on delete and then go back again to the settings. Go to the wireless and networks. Enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.